Hey, baby. You gotta look at the camera.
Having fun. I'm having fun. Onions, lettuce, tomatoes, butter and bread and butter and pickles. And I got side of grapes, some Doritos. I put effort and thought.
Mine, I'll be through with mine before she finish her first sub sandwich. Getting good at it. Hey. I didn't know all this was back here, man. It's beautiful.
They had a house
On the lake.
And all of that.
It's their third RV.
No, they said they started out with a home, and then when their kids moved out, and it was like, what else to do? And then I think that she said the pandemic happened, so they went on. They got an RV, went on the road.
Nobody could. Wasn't that cool? That was a good thing. Hamilton gonna do what?
Remember that movie house?
Do it. What's it called?
I don't know, but I can do it at the no name.
At the what?
At the no name.
What you doing in the no name?
Huh?
I thought it was called the Four Corners.
Hmm?
It's not called the Four Corners?
It's the no name. I think it's the oh man. Oh, wait a minute. I can't do it. Shaq or something. You know, make me fall in. You know, we were. I mean, he was very nice, and the other guy that's been doing it forever came over and